In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort A to Z in Google Sheets. Sorting is one of the fastest ways to make sense of your data, whether you're organizing names, products, or any list that needs a logical order. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along easily. By the end, your sheet will be neatly arranged and you'll know exactly how to repeat the process anytime you need. First, look at the column you want to use for sorting. At the very top of that column, you'll see a letter, like A, B, or C. Click that letter. This selects the entire column in one click, which is exactly what we want. Selecting the column this way tells Google Sheets, use this column as the basis for the order. Don't worry, this won't delete anything. It's just selecting. Next, move your pointer to that same column letter, and you'll notice a small drop-down arrow appear next to it. Click the drop-down arrow. This opens a quick menu tied specifically to that column, saving you the trouble of digging through other menus. It's a handy shortcut designed for quick sorting and filtering. From the menu that appears, choose Sort Sheet A to Z. This is the key action. A to Z means ascending order, alphabetical for text, smallest to largest for numbers, and oldest to newest for dates. You'll also see other options there, but for this tutorial, we're using Sort Sheet A to Z, so the whole sheet gets organized according to the column you selected. As soon as you choose that option, Google Sheets will automatically reorder all your rows based on that column. Every row stays intact, so your data doesn't get mismatched. It simply moves up or down as a complete row. Take a quick glance afterward to confirm everything looks right. If you see something unexpected, remember you can always undo with Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. A few quick tips as you review the results. If you have a header row, check that it's still where you expect. If your header's frozen, it will stay at the top, which is helpful. Also, be aware that blank cells usually sort to the bottom. If you're sorting names with different capitalizations, Google Sheets handles that gracefully, but it's still good to scan for any inconsistencies. And if you're sorting dates, make sure they're recognized as dates, not text, so they sort correctly. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Now you know how to sort A to Z in Google Sheets anytime your data needs a clean, logical order.